Hi, welcome to assembly of Venator's 4D human ear anatomy model. Let's begin with unpacking. Okay, so let's first start by taking out this part and the part which is needed correspondingly. So these two fit together here. Okay, and then let's take the top portion of this. Okay, so if you observe, it matches together. For easier assembly, for the convenience, you can take out this part separately. Okay, we'll keep this aside. Now continuing with the assembly, join them. Now join these two parts. Okay, so if you observe, there is a, just put them together. Yeah. Take out the eardrum. In this model, you can observe the eardrum comes with the three tiny bones. Those are also very clearly described. Okay, so this will get connected in this assembly like this. Okay, kindly observe carefully. These two bones will sit here, the malleus and stapes. Yeah. They align and it just comes out like this. So now you need to first insert the lower portion. There is another connecting pin. So 5 pins have to fit now together. So first you will insert this to the lower pin, this with this side hole, and these three to the front. Okay, so insert this first, then this, and then slide it a little bit, and then press down. That's it. Yeah, that is the only slightly complex move. Other than that, the assembly is pretty much complete already. Okay, now we have the semicircular canal, cochlea, vestibuli, and auditory nerve. This detail will sit here. Sometimes you might find it challenging how to fit it together. Just make sure that the auditory nerve is pointing towards the top. When it is pointing towards the top, the whole assembly will just fit. Any other angle, it won't, you might fumble a little bit. You will also observe a lot of teachers or students will find it difficult to fit this part together. Just make it a point that the auditory nerve is pointing upwards. Okay. And then you have this portion of the skull which is actually covering uh, the ear inside our skull. Okay, so this will just fit here like this. You have to, it's okay to apply a little bit of pressure. Yeah. Then this is a part of the stand. Okay, so it is angularly upwards. You have to place it inside the lower portion like this. Yeah. So when looking from the front, just assemble together. And now for the last part of the ears assembly, this will come together here. So many people may ask you if it is if the ear model is broken because it is in three parts and all that, but it is not. The assembly is like that. All right. So that's a common doubt that you might get. there's a step down assembly here. Okay, match them. And this will fit together, completing the assembly. For placing the model on the stand, you have two holes at the bottom. You can use the semicircular one to just fit it together. Along with this, you get the assembly manual within the packaging. Please note that all the three models, that is life size, the eye, ear and heart models are life size, and all the details are 1:1 in proportion to the actual life organs in the human body. So as usual, in the ear anatomy models manual, you can see the different parts of the ear, some detailing about each part, a small Q&A, brief about the ear, and then the assembly instructions. Thank you.